silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their drones. In your head, they are crying. What's in your head? In your head. Stop it, stop it, stop it. What's in your head? In your head. Stop it, stop it, stop
Backing up my shit, smart shit in the cars I can fit. And I'm driving as far as I can get away from these problems. To all of my sorrows I forget. What's tomorrow like? 'Cause tonight I'm starting life again. Get to the corner and stop. Fucking mind going beside psycho when I fantasize, starting my whole life over. Yeah, right. Oh, and I might go and get hypnotized so I don't even recognize no one. I try to look alive, but there's nothing like holding your head up high when you're dead inside, and I just hide. So in case you're wondering why my inside showing, 'cause I done spilled on my guts, and those are mine, so I'm picking them up and stuff in the back. Fuck it, I've done enough in this rap shit. Recovery brought me nothing but that. Right where I was, and perhaps this could have been my victory lap if I wasn't on the verge of relapse.
What's in your head? In your head. Stop it, stop it, stop it. What's in your head? In your head. Stop it, stop it, stop
The reoccurring main theme, the shit I would daydream as a kid. I was 18, I went from an irate teenager to still raging. It's so amazing. Back then I put anything into the rhyme. Whether it was sad, mad, happy, or angry, I spit it. The mainstream, I hit it. Came me, I did it. Did what? Haley, baby, I did it. Meaning make you 80% of what I rap about. Maybe I should've did a better job at separating shady and entertaining from real life, but this painting is still the hardest thing to explain. It's the craziest shit I've ever seen, and back then it was like I ain't even bother taking into consideration you and baby and older and make hear me say things I didn't. A me and he just ain't me. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's strip away everything you see. The main reason that I feel like a lame piece of shit. I sound cranky and bitter, complain, beef, and bick about the same things. 'Cause when I look at me, I don't see what they see. I feel a shame, greedy, and lately I've been contemplating escaping to get